What if I told you the 2025 BMW M235 just changed the game for compact sports cars, and hardly anyone saw it coming? Yes, the M235 is back, and this time it's sharper, bolder, and more rebellious than ever. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just love fast, beautiful machines, this car will leave you stunned. Let's start with the shocker. BMW didn't just tweak the old model, they practically reinvented it. Under the hood, the 2025 M235 packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, pumping out 312 horsepower. You heard that right, 312 horsepower from a 4-cylinder. That's more power than some older V6, and it launches the car from 0 to 60 mph in just about 4.5 seconds. Small body, big punch. It's like putting a rocket engine in a go-kart. Now, before you blink, let's talk about how it feels. BMW tuned this thing for precision. The steering is razor sharp, the suspension hugs the road like it's holding on for dear life, and the X-Drive all-wheel drive system gives it confidence even when the roads get twisty. It's playful but serious, aggressive but refined. It doesn't just drive, it dances. You might be wondering, okay, power and handling, check. But what about looks? Let's just say, heads will turn. The 2025 M235 isn't shy. It's got that signature low-slung BMW grille, but not too big, sleek LED headlights, muscular body lines, and a coupe-like roof that screams speed even when standing still. At the back, a subtle spoiler and dual exhausts hint at its power. While new, 19-inch wheels give it a mean, planted stance. It's like a proper street fighter in a tailored tux. But here's the twist most people miss. It's not just built for speed. Inside, the M235 is surprisingly plush. BMW went all in on tech and comfort. The cabin features a curved 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 10.7-inch infotainment display, both running BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. Yes, it's fast, fluid, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, voice control actually works this time. Now think about this. You're sitting in sports seats that hug you perfectly, wrapped in soft Sensatec upholstery with blue contrast stitching. The ambient lighting glows around you like you're in a spaceship. And there's a 14-speaker Harman Kardon sound system that makes even your daily playlist feel like a private concert. It's part race car, part luxury lounge. Let me ask you, when was the last time a sports car made you feel fast, comfortable, and smart all at once? And here's where BMW nailed it again: safety. The M235 isn't just thrilling, it's safe too. You get automatic emergency braking, blind spot, monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control standard. It's like your personal co-pilot, quietly watching your back while you chase every corner. Now, here's a little fun fact. The M235 might be compact, but it's super practical too. There's decent trunk space, fold-down rear seats, and even enough room in the back for actual humans. Well, maybe not super tall ones, but still more than most coupes. You can daily this beast without breaking your back or your wallet. Speaking of wallets, pricing starts around $51,000. Not cheap, but for what you get, it's a steal. You're getting genuine BMW M performance, luxury tech, and all-weather capability in one slick package. Compare that to other sports coupes in the market, and the M235 punches way above its weight. But wait, here's something else that makes the 2025 M235 so unique. It doesn't try to be a full-blown M2, and that's a good thing. It's lighter, more nimble, more affordable, and easier to live with. It fills the sweet spot between everyday fun and weekend thrill rides. It's not about being the loudest, It's about being the smartest choice for real drivers. Now imagine pulling up in this thing. The engine snarls, people look, and you smile because you know what you're driving. You didn't just buy a car, you bought a statement, a machine that says you care about driving, that you value precision, that you don't follow trends. You drive past them. So here's the bottom line. The 2025 BMW M235 isn't just another sporty car. It's an attitude. A reminder that performance doesn't need to be huge to be powerful, that luxury doesn't need to be boring, and that BMW, when it wants to, can still build a car that puts pure driving joy front and center. Still thinking, it's just a smaller BMW? Think again. The M235 is the underdog that just might become your favorite car of 2025. Now, before you click away, drop a comment. Would you take the M235 over a Supra, a Golf R, or even a Mustang? Let's hear your take. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks size matters, because in the world of BMW, precision is everything. Want more car reviews like this? Hit that bell icon, because next week we're looking at a car no one expects, and it's not from Germany. See you in the next one.